bust brain, ice on my neck, insane. Thank God for life, amen. Came from the bottom, I'll never be the same. I entered a place, bust brain, ice on my neck.
In the things I say, it's not that I don't notice. To me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind.
Wife to who?
I'm talking. And then just two. This is a lot.
It's a lot. So you have to send.
She's saying wife to someone, then she's asking what to do again.
Charlie, I need my strength. God, be with me. Okay. I'm enjoying this.
Why did you guys leave this one out?
I thought it was
No, I just wanted it to be like divided, like
different pieces.
yeah, different pieces. You know, you serve people according to.
Tinah, she's mentioning my name. What did I do?
You know, I will be doing it because I'll be born in Papi. Already after, I know it was sleep.
And what time are we doing the nail stuff?
Sorry.
She said she wants to shower me with the blessings of the chicken.
I bless the chicken. Guys, what time are we doing the nails? Tomorrow?
I have to do them when I do them and when I do the makeup.
She said she has to do her own to do your makeup.
Because the nails are big. You're not strong enough, baby.
Oh, boy.
My strength is gone.
You feel like you didn't even eat anything.
My stomach is
What about that big chicken you ate?
I'm going to finish it now. I didn't finish.
You left somewhere?
That's so?
It's you that I need to ask her if it's okay. So probably you have to taste.
Oh, yeah, she went back to her.
My back.
Sarah, I hope you're not putting me in the gap video. You get my hair on my head.
The phone recording. I needed to use my camera, you know? So I'll put the footage on video. I think I need to apply for a job somewhere. Sexy. Tight. You see what we do? We are chefs, man. I think this is
Look the way she's seated, as if she's in the labor.
Sharon, you can stop recording.
What?
Sharon, you can stop recording. Now I've got a lot of footage to edit. Like, oh my god.
this week I'll be busy.
Please, oh God.
Yeah, we can be very busy person, you know?
Hi guys, so it's like a few days later. Oh, not a few days later. Oh. Hello guys. So yeah, we are here glammed up with the birthday girl. She looks so pretty, guys. Oh my god, just flipped. Wait. Okay.
Come back.
So guys, I was saying this is the birthday girl. She looks so pretty. Look at that. Aww. And that's the mother. And this is rich auntie. This is the rich auntie.
already know, guys.
And this is the vlogger.
Yeah.
So we are on the way to take pictures for the birthday girl. Guys, I did her hair and makeup. She looks so pretty.
Yeah, she did it.
I'll insert a picture you'll see. So I wanted to vlog the whole process of doing the makeup and stuff like that, but I couldn't do it. It was just too much work. But maybe next time. But I think I'll vlog the rest of the day and tomorrow because it's gonna be late. We are gonna be late. We are gonna be late. I'm going to get glammed up. Just wait for it. I didn't have much time. It's not about me today. It's not about me. It's about her. So yeah, let's enjoy this day. Today is quite hot.
Very hot.
You are blessed. Because these days it has been cold, guys. It has been cold. But today, you see, you're even removing your jacket.
Yeah.
Because it's
checking the weather and
yeah.
it was kind of cold.
So yeah, let's go. Oh, that's better now. Hi. Hi. The mother to the birthday girl.
Hi.
She's doing the duties. The rich auntie. Look at everybody. They look so good, guys.
Rare.
You have to be putting your coat around or be teaching you.
So guys, I'm with my future husband here.
Oh, let me... You don't want my kiss and you're saying, okay. Yeah, man.
So here we have the beautiful ladies. They look so cute though. Ooh. Ooh. Yes.
I like how... I was lying to you. Oh, there I was recording.
So there it goes.
Check for me with the pretty ladies.
Fresh.
Open your eyes and smile like...
两个一起拍嘛，我帮你拍。对。
Yeah.
Oh, take for me and this guy. Though I knew it's gonna look at me like that. Too short. Look at that.
No, it's okay. You look cute like this.
I'm doing. Why are you running?
Hey, you.
He's running out from trouble. So this is
Junior.
Introduce yourself for like 2 seconds.
Junior, I'm from Benin and I'm doing fashion and design major.
I found someone who is doing fashion and design, guys. I'm excited. He's going to be he's going to be styling. He's going to be styling me right now. Oh, I'm tired and I'm feeling I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Oh, I like your hair. Come show them your hair. Look at his hair. It looks so good, guys. Oh. You can ask.
You know how to do it, right?
Yeah, I think not really, but yours looks, it's really curly.
Yeah, I just use the gel to do it.
Yeah.
use my phone and
Okay, no problem.
Here is the mother to the birthday girl. Look at her. She looks so pretty, guys. Oh. Look at the birthday girl, guys. Oh my god, she looks so pretty. Oh. She looks so good. And the dress. Let me show you the outfit. Hold on. Look at the dress, guys. Look at the dress. Turn around for us. Oh, oh, oh. It looks so good. Look at the dress. Oh. Look at the hair. Look at the makeup. Oh, oh, oh. I'm a hype lady. Okay.
She looks sad.
What?
She looks sad.
Let me, my shadow.
I want to take a look at the thighs because this is going on YouTube.
She is so famous now. Celebrity in China.
In the things I say, it's not that I don't notice. To me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design.
Good evening, guys. So it's later on after the fun in the afternoon of photo shoots. Oh my god, today I've been busy. I'm tired and we just started the day.
Didn't bring one. So what's the book?
She didn't bring the gun?
Yes.
Oh. So after the photo shoot, we're supposed to have like a girls' night kind of stuff. So we're going to have like matching nightwear. But mine, shopping online is a scam. Mine, it isn't here, so I'll be using a different dress. But regardless, I sound so low, man. My energy is done. I'm tired and I haven't even drank it. I'm about to get lit. And tomorrow as well I'll get lit. So yeah, right now I'm about to refresh myself and freshen up my makeup and everything. So yeah, let's just do that and see how the rest of the evening is gonna go. Going to smell.
Who does that? Who does that?
Okay, now it's recording. You're pumping the balloons. Yeah, it's too bright. Is it too bright, guys? So we're doing a surprise. A surprise. We're doing a surprise with everyone. Dang, eh?
We'll make this one. You tell us what you need there. We'll bring for you.
Okay, ma.
This one is going
Yes,
down,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
This one is going down.
Sharon. Hi.
Look, look, look.
Looks so beautiful. Hi guys. Oh, I look so sweaty. I'm tired. I'm really tired. Just finished decorating. Why is this embarrassing me?
I don't know why
So guys, we just finished decorating the room. It's actually a surprise. As you can see, I look so exhausted. I'm going to refresh and look good. Oh, here the lighting is perfect. So I'm just going to shower and then I'll wait for the birthday girl to be here. I think she's even wondering where we are right now, but we have something special for her. So yeah, let's go. We're going to our room first to shower. We have booked in a different room, so yeah, let's go. Did you miss me?
No!
Did you miss me? You thought I was sleeping?
Guys,
what?
from who come was here?
Long story.
I'm still done.
Yeah. So how do you feel that you're covered?
The office is just dark.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Sharon.
All
So let's go.
Mommy?
Huh? Don't be afraid.
Oh, you're going to see me. Oh.
We are going to sell you.
I can mister.
You're going down slow.
Slow.
In the things I say, it's not that I don't notice. To me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't. Let it show that I want you. There's not a way.
So you, our baby, our dear.
I can mister.
Manaman.
Just wait. Step in front of you. Hold on. Don't take another step. You'll stumble.
So, I just want to tell you that we love you.
We love you so much.
And you want to continue eating your food.
Yeah.
You're still rich, auntie. You look fine, oh. You look fine.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear. Happy birthday to you.
So I'm watching you from.
Yeah. We love you.
I love you guys.
Love you too.
We love you, rough.
We love you, push.
So it's finally her birthday. We're about to take some photos. We're waiting for the ring light. Not her. It's not her birthday. This is the mother. We look so nice, guys. Maybe I will take some pictures here.
She's
Maybe
feeling depressed,
if not,
so
she'll
she
go on
wanted
my
to
gram
take her
and see
out for a
them.
walk.
I look at her nails.
I was like, ouch.
Show me your nails.
My mouth was like going small.
Hey!
What is going on?
We look sleek. Wait for the birthday girl.
What is
Wait for her.
going on?
It's a birthday, baby.
So this is a birthday girl.
Guys.
How are you feeling?
I'm 22 years.
Yeah.
Birthday.
I'm 22 years of age.
I can't even
And I'm
whistle.
so I'm so happy. Please, guys. I don't even know what to really say right now. But
Don't cry. That's
I
all.
love you.
Yeah. Don't cry. That's all.
I love you guys so
We love you
much.
too.
We love you, rough.
I love you guys, rough.
We love you, cherry hearts.
In the things I say, it's not that I don't notice. To me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't. Let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design.
It's not a picture. I'm taking a video.
Oh, for the vlog.
Then I'll just do like what she's done.
I would like to thank my mother and my father for this opportunity, but I've never made it so far.
Which opportunity?
The opportunity to be in the camera, they gave birth to me.
And now you're on the camera.
So now I'm appearing on TV, on the internet. I love to thank my mother.
There are two greatest.
So this one is going to see.
Come and celebrate with our sister and our brother. Davies, the good guy, and our sister Diaries. Although some people have made of her already. So guys, they celebrated their birthday.
Have you ever seen any? It's too much, man. It's too much.
Thank you. We're going to be doing some recording. Take your time.
Is Auru, and my English name is Davis. So
And your French name?
I'm so happy you guys to come today to celebrate our birthday because this is family. Okay, so even is our it's our two we celebrate, but all of you guys we celebrate today. So everyone need to celebrate. When?
Hi, baby.
Like don't treat honey. Like people wanna choose. That's why we gotta make.
Sharon. Oh. How are you, baby? Hiya.
I saw you.
Hi. Hi, guys.
Thank you very much.
I'm 28.
Oh, you want me to die your house more?
Yeah, madam.
You reduce the size. You don't even know your position. I think it's okay. So guys,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Okay. Indonesia. In Ethiopia, we say it. Malcolm Nedet Lanchi. Malcolm Nedet Lanchi. Uncle Mama, people are walking off. No money.
alright. I have a special wish, but this wish is not for myself. For another person. I wish that Mr. Emmanuel Magana.
I came here for this thing. I also explain to you. Let me come. Me, I came here for this.
I wish you a happy life. I wish you no sadness. I wish you a life of total joy and total happiness. Yeah. I wish for this birthday.
Yeah, I came to see
you become very, very rich and successful.
Are we going to Liberia? We are already going. The tickets are so much joy.
Another way is there on the way. Another way is
Want to see? No, want to see. I saw the call the person.
who play ball?
No,
Call your win.
I don't care, man.
Quiet.
Time.
Come down.
Merci beaucoup.
I want to celebrate this birthday because it's very special for me. I have 28-year-old.
Yeah. You are still young.
You are
still young.
I will not talk too much.
Wish the love wish.
I just wish, how to say it, long life, right?
Yeah,
that's
okay.
You wish to have a marriage?
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you for
Wait, man. Wait. Anika from Yazjin campus. You make way more.